Hey everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today, a buddy of mine, we're going to drive up to the Ocoee, do a little bit of sightseeing. Wanted to take you guys along with us. Before we get started, if you could do me a favor, please subscribe to the channel, click that like button and comment. I sure would appreciate it. But for now, we've got maybe about a 45-minute, hour ride to get to the good scenery. So I'll check back in with you guys soon. Alright, now we have crossed over from Chattanooga to Bradley County or Cleveland, Tennessee. I'm going to pass through this little town and keep going. Soon we should be at the Ocoee. Hey, look everybody, it's Kevin.
Hip pointers over there if you need them.
Okay. Now, if you are in the area, this place coming up on the left, right there, the Ocoee Dam Deli and Diner. I guess when stuff opens back up, that's some good eating right there. Stop by and see them. If I remember my research correctly, pretty close where we're going to be at, actually I think we're going to be at the site here in a little bit, is where they actually held the river rafting portion for the 1996 Olympic Games. It was actually being held in Atlanta that year, but they did the rafting here at the Ocoee in Tennessee. Pretty cool, huh? This is a part of the Cherokee National Forest, I believe. I forget how many square miles or square acres the park is. 450,000 or something like that, I read. It's more than one. It's definitely more than one. Greasy Creek. The name of this is Greasy Creek. Alright, now the water starts funneling right through here a little bit and it starts to narrow up, so we should be seeing some pretty cool scenery here. I mean, this is one of the reasons I love Tennessee and I love the South. I mean, there are other beautiful parts of the country and the world, no doubt. But man, in the South, there's just some beautiful scenery. We've got some beautiful weather here. And specifically Tennessee, I was born and raised, you could say, for the most part in Tennessee. And it was just a great place to grow up. Oh, that's cool. I see some white water up here. Try to turn my head a little bit, give you guys a view of this. There's a couple of kayakers in the water over there. Boat stuck on a rock. I don't know if you guys can see this through the trees right here, the tree line, but beautiful right there. You know, it's really good to see people out and about again, whether you agree with the country reopening at this particular point in time or a later date. It's just good to see people again. This may be stopped. Look at this. Okay, I want you guys to see this. We're going to pull over. I'm going to get some good shots of this for you. That's badass. Alright, let's pull over right here. See if we can find us a place to park. Okay, yeah, site of the 1996 Olympics. This is the area that was built for the Olympics. And I think just through June through September or something like that, the dam releases enough water to turn all this into whitewater rapids. Alright. Another place for some sweet photos. Boyd Gap Overlook. Alright, Scenic View has been checked off the list. So now I think we are going to double back and head on back to Chattanooga. I'd just like to say thank you to everyone for watching this video. I really do appreciate your time. If you would do me a gigantic favor, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment. I promise I'll reply back to you. Thank you for your time, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. You out of here?
I'm going to peel off up here, okay?
Yeah, man.
Hey, thanks for the ride.
Yeah, you bet. Look, everybody, there goes Kevin. Bye-bye.